Hello Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 22nd to August the 25th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Nagla-live po tayo doon. Kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. Ayan. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan ng live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. And Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So parang meron pa ditong either nagpapakipot, nagtitimpe, someone is losing hope. It could be you, it could be your person, you can switch the energies. Sabihin natin na medyo galit pa, no, si Aquarius, pero sinusuyo na siya ni person. Gusto nang give up ni person kasi parang feeling niya, I am not winning. Or let's say, hindi man siya give up, parang lumalamlam, no, yung kanyang pagpupursige. Pero kasi meron dito nagsabing napapagod na akong humabol. Napapagod na akong ako yung makikipagbate. Napapagod na akong ako yung nagre-resolve ng issue. Parang ang nangyayari kasi dito is naniniwala na, no, na ayaw siya ni Capricorn. I feel like, ni Capricorn, ni Aquarius. Nakakita kasi ko ng Capricorn zodiac right off the bat. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito with the strength, hindi pa sa ngayon. Huwag mo akong pilitin. Huwag mo akong pinipressure, no? Probably there's a lot of things that Aquarius wants to do, no? Sabihin natin, meron akong pinagkakaabalahan ngayon. I'm so busy and wala akong time para makipag-usap. Kahit usap lang, no? Nanghihinayang ngayon tong si person na parang gusto niya nang maniwala na eto na yata ang sabihin natin katapusan ng aming relationship, no? With the Hangman, the Three of Swords, the Nine of Cups, the Justice. So far, pinanghihinaan na ng loob tong si person. Pinanghihinaan na rin siya na yung sabihin natin enthusiasm, no? Parang nasasagad din yung kanyang na-exhaust masyado ang kanyang options. Paano ba susuyuin, no? Gusto mo ba tumambling ako, mag-split ako, no? With the Fool card and the Page of Pentacles, I feel like kung hindi pa man siya sapat, kung ano yung hinihingi ng sorry ni person, Aquarius, I feel like medyo dapat siguro pinapakinggan natin. Just listen, no? It doesn't mean that we can give the person the forgiveness, no? Right away. Pero there's something in there that we can, parang maliliwanagan tayo. We just need to listen, and I feel like meron ditong somewhat wish fulfillment or wish na gusto natin na ready na rin siyang ibigay or kaya niya nang ibigay. Whether it is material or energetic. The Star, Aquarius, this is your card, no? The Three of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and the Five of Wands. So, chances are, itong relationship na to is away bate. Pero it always ends up into something na lagi namang nag-aayos. Is this the more you hate, the more you love kind of relationship? I feel like yung isa kasi dito is masakit magsalita. Yung isa naman matampuhin. So paano 'yan? Um it's supposed to be a good combination, pero kasi yung isa parang nana, no? Na masanggi lang, nag-aano agad, ang tawag ba do'n, yung umaaray agad. Yung isa naman din, matabil talaga, matalas talaga ang dila. I feel like what is happening right now, Aquarius, especially for those who are in separation, um, these separation is required. I think that there is learnings for both parties, you know. Mahal naman yung isa't isa, pero bakit kailangan either nagsasakitan? Um, I hope that yung sakitan na to is through words lang, no? Not with physical. With the Three of Wands, if someone is waiting, Eight of Cups, the Hierophant. I feel like kung hindi pa ito maayos ng hindi naman in madaling panahon, pero as time passes by, medyo nababawasan nga itong romance, no? Yung emotion. It might gonna end up in total separation. Aquarius, if this is what you truly want, it's either you have to continue or you have to tell the person na ayoko na, no? Pero the more na pinapatagal natin ito, kung gusto pa rin naman natin yung person, I feel like medyo naaano na siya, na napapagod na. Would you want your person to parang nato-torture? Well, that's something that you can probably share to me sa comment section. Let's check the emotion of your person. This could be their emotion or your emotion. Let's see. Are you thinking about me? So parang meron ng plead dito, no? Meron na rin ditong almost na, do you still also care about me? No? Yung person parang talagang nararamdaman niya na ayaw mo na sa kanya. So Aquarius, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Aries, Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Libra, Cancer, Virgo, baka kapwa Aquarius ito, no? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, right. So this is your reading, Aquarius. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Aquarius, kilalang-kilala nyo yung sarili ninyo. So, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box po ng video na ito, meron pong website. Click the link. Bubungad po sa inyo agad yung question form. Hindi lang po siya kasya sa screen pero ibaba nyo po, no? Makikita nyo mga QR codes. Those QR codes have designated labels. So, makikita nyo how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. So, yung 4 questions discounted na, may libre pang isa, take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, hanapin niyo na lang po siya sa QR codes. Kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadali, no, sa makakuha ng personal reading, pwede po kayong, ah, pwede niyo pong i-report yung mga fake accounts. Kasi screenshot niyo po yung report ninyo and send it to the designated email. Bubunot po tayo doon ng winner, no? Para sa free reading. Aquarius, kung gusto niyo po akong i-follow sa iba-ibang social medias, no? Doon po sa webpage kung nasaan ang question form, nandoon po yung mga icons ng TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, yan. Click nyo na lang po, i-route na kayo. You don't have to type anything, no? Ah, kung hinahanap nyo naman yung ibang readings katulad ng X-Files, no? Ito po yung mga readings about exes. If you still care about your ex, nandun po siya sa Facebook, no? So, may album naman siya you may want to check on it. Aquarius, this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.